Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever felt puzzled whether a younger woman is genuinely impressed by you? Today, we're pinpointing the overlooked signals that reveal her admiration. You'll be equipped to notice these subtle cues, enhancing your understanding of her interest. Make sure you stick around until the end. Our bonus tip could change the way you perceive her interest in you. You won't want to miss it. Before we get rolling, for those of you looking to rethink your dating approach, why not take advantage of a free strategy call? Find the link in the description or pinned comment. Let's get started. 1. Engaging in deep conversations. When a younger woman engages you in deep conversations, it's a clear sign of her interest. Rather than sticking to light, casual chat about the weather or what's on TV, she dives into topics that matter. This could be discussions about life philosophies, personal ambitions, or even complex social issues. What she's really doing is tapping into your wealth of experience. She values your opinions not just for polite conversation, but because she respects the knowledge and life lessons you've accumulated over the years. This interest in substantial topics does more than just pass the time. It creates a meaningful connection. She isn't just listening, she's engaging, asking thoughtful questions that encourage you to share more. This isn't about idle curiosity. Her focus on these discussions shows she's considering you as much more than just a companion for dinner. It's also a great way for you to gauge how well you connect on intellectual and emotional levels. A conversation that flows easily, where both of you can share and learn, is a good sign of mutual compatibility. Pay attention to these interactions. They are as revealing as they are flattering. They suggest she sees you as a significant figure, someone she might learn from and grow with. So, next time you find yourself in one of these conversations, take it as a compliment to your life's journey and a possible hint towards deeper relational potential. 2. Demonstrating respect and admiration. When a younger woman shows genuine respect and admiration for an older man, it's visible in the way she listens to his stories, celebrates his achievements, and seeks his advice. This kind of respect is more than mere politeness. It's a recognition of his journey and the successes he has achieved along the way. When she pays close attention to the details of his stories, asking insightful questions or expressing awe at the challenges he's overcome, it's clear she holds his experiences in high regard. Moreover, her respect is evident when she values his advice, not just hearing it out, but actively applying it in her life. This shows she sees him as a wise counselor, not just a casual acquaintance. Such interactions are deeply flattering and affirm the older man's role as a mentor and confidant. Admiration from someone younger can be incredibly affirming. It's a nod to his capabilities and the life he's led, which in many cases can be a huge confidence boost. For you, the older man in this dynamic, recognizing these signs can open up a more profound mutual respect and pave the way for a meaningful relationship. Pay attention to these interactions. They're not just passing compliments, but indicators of genuine respect and admiration. This isn't about ego. It's about mutual appreciation that can enrich both your lives. 3. Personal touches and thoughtful gestures. These are powerful indicators that a younger woman values and cares deeply about her relationship with an older man. These actions can be as simple as remembering his favorite coffee blend, or as thoughtful as bringing up a topic he mentioned weeks ago, showing that she not only listens but remembers the details. Consider this. She sends you a book she knows you'll love because you once mentioned your favorite author in passing. Or perhaps she surprises you with tickets to a jazz concert after you reminisced about your love for live music. These aren't just kind gestures. They're her way of showing she pays attention to what makes you unique and wants to add joy to your life. These gestures go beyond common courtesy. They're personal, tailored to your likes and experiences, which makes them feel more intimate and meaningful. When she recalls details from previous conversations and acts on them, it's a clear sign she's invested in the relationship. It's her way of saying, "I care about you and what you enjoy," without always saying it directly. For you, recognizing these gestures can deepen your appreciation of her and the relationship. It's not just about the act itself, but the thought and effort behind it. These are the moments that build a stronger, more connected relationship, showing a mutual care and understanding that spans beyond the surface. 4. Seeking emotional support. When a younger woman seeks out an older man for emotional support during challenging times, it signifies a deep level of trust and a strong emotional connection. This is more than just looking for advice. It's about seeking comfort and reassurance from someone perceived to have more life experience and wisdom. This dynamic is evident when she turns to you during personal dilemmas, work stress, or family issues, expecting not just solutions, but also a listening ear and a comforting presence. It shows she values your perspective and feels secure in your ability to understand her situation and possibly guide her through it. When she shares her fears or vulnerabilities with you, it's an indication that she sees you as a pillar of strength and safety. This kind of emotional intimacy can deepen the relationship significantly. For you, the older man in this scenario, these moments are opportunities to demonstrate support and care, reinforcing the bond between you. Being there for her in times of need can affirm your role as a supportive partner. It's not just about giving advice. It's also about providing emotional stability and showing that you can be relied upon when it matters most. These are the moments that truly strengthen a relationship, showing that it's built on more than just mutual interests or physical attraction, but also on genuine emotional support and trust. Enjoying the video? Give it a like and tell us what you think. And if you're looking for tailored advice, our free dating strategy call will teach you how to meet more women and confidently navigate the dating scene. Reserve your session through the pinned comment. 5. Shared interests and activities. When a younger woman enthusiastically participates in hobbies you love, or when you both discover new interests together, it does more than just pass the time. It bridges any age gap, showing that your connection is about more than just the years between you. Think about it. Whether it's a shared love for hiking, a passion for old movies, or even attending live concerts together, these activities become avenues for creating memorable experiences. They offer common ground where age becomes irrelevant, replaced by the joy of shared enthusiasm. This is a sign that she values the relationship for the unique experiences you can have together, rather than what you represent in terms of age or status. Engaging in these activities together also promotes a deeper understanding of each other's personalities and preferences. It's during these moments that you get to see each other in different lights, perhaps discovering a competitive streak at a board game night or a shared sense of humor at a comedy show. So, when she suggests doing something together that you both enjoy, take it as a positive sign. It's her way of saying she enjoys your company and likes building the relationship through these shared experiences. Each activity strengthens the bond and makes the relationship richer, showing that what you share goes beyond superficial attributes like age. 6. Body language and flirting. When a younger woman is interested in an older man, she might use sustained eye contact as a clear sign of attraction. This isn't just a quick glance. It's a deliberate act of holding your gaze, a way to create a moment of connection that feels both intimate and revealing. Mirroring body language is another sign that can indicate interest. If she subconsciously copies your movements, like taking a sip of her drink right after you do, or matching your walking pace, it shows a level of comfort and synchronization. This mimicry isn't just miming. It's a nonverbal way of saying she's in tune with you. Casual touches are perhaps one of the most significant indicators. A light touch on the arm while laughing at a joke, a gentle pat on the back, or even brushing away something from your hair. These are all gentle invasions of personal space that suggest a level of familiarity and comfort. These touches are often overlooked by older men who might not expect a younger woman to make such bold moves. These signs of flirting, sustained eye contact, mirroring, and casual touching are your clues. They're subtle yet impactful ways she communicates her interest without saying it outright. So next time you're together, pay close attention to these nonverbal cues. They might just reveal more than you expect about her feelings towards you. Our bonus tip is crucial: acknowledging the age difference. When a younger woman openly discusses the age gap between you and expresses comfort with it, take this as a strong indicator of her genuine interest and intent. Instead of skirting around the topic or feeling awkward about it, her willingness to bring it up in conversation shows a level of openness and sincerity about the relationship's dynamics. This direct acknowledgement can manifest in various ways. She might joke about the age gap to lighten the mood, or she may bring up serious discussions on what the age difference means for your relationship's future. By addressing it head-on, she's signaling that she's comfortable with the disparity and sees it as an integral part of what makes your connection unique. This comfort with the age difference doesn't just suggest that she's serious about you. It also points to her maturity and ability to handle unconventional aspects of a relationship. It indicates that she values what each of you brings to the table: experiences, wisdom, energy, and sees these differences as strengths rather than obstacles. So, if you notice her addressing the age gap with ease and confidence, consider it a green light. It shows that she's not only interested, but also ready to engage in the depth and breadth of what a relationship with you entails, fully acknowledging and embracing all its facets. This level of honesty and openness is a solid foundation for genuine connection and mutual respect. So now you know the signs she's secretly impressed by you. What's next for you? Discover how to tell that she wants your attention, or learn how to approach women without being creepy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.